come with me. So, first of all, I introduce myself. I'm Clément Gilbert. I'm the CEO of the company L'Atelier du Bois. Who are we? We are a company specialized in the woodwork. As we can see, we live in Tourist Village. The village is very famous because of carpenter, craftsman, cabinet maker, and joiner. Its reputation comes from the woodwork. That's why we decided to develop a commercial activity and to produce two wood objects, cupboards and lamps. Now, I'm going to show you my team and introduce my office. Follow me. Welcome in our offices. Follow me. Come in. Hi guys.
Hi.
Here is our commercial director, Solène, and Jeremy, our assistant. They will introduce you the product. Then our marketing director, Mélanie. And finally, our financial director, Hugo. Hi.
Good afternoon. Here I am to introduce you our best product, the lamp. This product is an original concept. In fact, we can use this lamp as a cup and balls. How? You just have to take the lampshade and the pedestal off, and you can play cup and balls. Furthermore, this is a solar energy lamp, so it's environmentally friendly. And we are the first company to propose this new idea. Our lamp recharges the day and lights up the night. And we can assure you that this is a high quality product because we work the wood and we assemble all the parts ourselves. Now I let my assistant Jeremy introduce you our second product.
Good afternoon. What about our second product, the cup and balls? This product is an old but timeless toy. We can see that two pieces compose our product, a foot and a ball with a hole. As you probably know, the aim of this game is very easy. You just have to put the ball on the top of the foot. This is a very attractive toy for everybody, whatever if you are 7 or 77 years old. If you play once, you can never stop.
So now I'm going to speak about our financial situation. Our principal product is lamp. We sell approximately 250 pieces per month, and we also sell cup and balls, approximately 50 pieces per month. So since the beginning of the year, we do 7% of margin on our products. We assure wall and productions at the level of €65 per month. We take no risks. So during the 2 first months of the year, we were very optimistic because of the success of our company, as you can see in January and February. Our turnover increased indeed of 28% during this period and reached a peak at €4,709 in the end of February. But since February, our turnover only decreased and stood at €2,752 at the end of April. Our account balance is still in the black. Indeed, our finances are strong enough and they allow the normal activity of our Atelier du Bois. But we developed a marketing plan to make our turnover increase again, and I let Mélanie explain you our marketing ideas and our impact on the markets.
As we told you earlier, we are the first to develop this type of product. That's why we are in a good position on our market. To promote our two products, we already made advertising in the form of flyer which we distribute in the whole city and the store on goods. As you can see on this flyer, our products are very cheap and we can say that high quality and low prices are not inseparable. But now we would like to expand our market shares and to develop our product in the first time to the whole country and later to the international. But to develop we need investment to help us. But with this idea we probably think that we will become more industrial, but that's what we want to avoid by becoming bigger but with only hire other qualified cabinet makers and keep our high quality products.
Can you blow my whistle?